Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Perspective Grid in Krita. First, locate the Perspective Grid tool in your toolbar, or simply press Shift plus G to activate it. This powerful feature helps you create realistic depth in your artwork. You can select from 1-point, 2-point, or 3-point perspective, depending on your artistic needs. Once activated, you'll see the grid overlay on your canvas, ready for customization. It's a fantastic way to ensure your drawings maintain accurate spatial relationships. Setting up your perspective grid is quite intuitive. Simply click and drag the vanishing points to position them precisely where you want them on your canvas. These points dictate the direction of your perspective lines. Next, adjust the horizon line by dragging it up or down. This represents the viewer's eye level. You can also use the small square handles to scale and rotate the entire grid, giving you complete control over its orientation. Take your time to get these elements just right for your composition. Now for the exciting part, drawing with your perspective grid. To make your life easier, enable the snapping feature in the tool options. This will automatically align your brush strokes to the grid lines, ensuring perfect perspective every time. As you draw, you'll notice your lines naturally converge towards the vanishing points, creating a convincing sense of depth. You can also easily switch between drawing on different perspective planes, like the ground plane or side planes, to build complex structures accurately. Beyond the basics, Krita offers advanced customization for your perspective grid. You can fine-tune the grid's density, making it more or less detailed, and even change its color for better contrast against your artwork. These options are found within the tool properties. For recurring projects, consider saving your custom grid setups as presets, saving you valuable time. For truly intricate scenes, try using multiple perspective grids on separate layers, allowing for diverse vanishing points within one composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.